You're here because someone told you about SIDU, huh? Someone told you about SIDU space? Well, I'm Trader Josh, and today we're going to talk to you about ticker symbol SIDU. Okay, so first of all, guys, first thing I want to mention to you guys about ticker symbol SIDU is that God loves you all, okay? Let's not forget, okay? Let's not forget about that, okay? First things first, God loves you all, okay? Next, I want to let you guys know that SIDU is on a major discount right now, okay, guys? You've seen, if you're subscribed to me, oh, good for you, okay? You've seen my videos in the past about ticker symbol SIDU before. We for sure made money on it together, okay? If you haven't seen my videos in the past, hit that subscribe button, okay? Because I'm making a video right now and you're seeing it right now, okay? So, with that being said, let's figure out what exactly the case is and why SIDU is on discount right now, okay? Ticker symbol SIDU has a market cap of $9.26 million, a 52-week high of $9.22, with a 52-week low, now hear me now, of 18 cents, which right now we are sitting at 18 cents, okay? So with that being said, if you buy today at 18 cents, you will be buying at its 52-week low price, okay? So I'll say one thing about that. Okay, I'll get there when we look at the charts. Okay, when we look at the charts, I'll talk more about it. Okay, average volume 2.9 million. Okay, now one thing I did want to point out in this video, just because I have in my other videos before, I have mentioned how I was up $1,000. Okay, I did look at my. I'm just saying this, put it out there too, by the way. Okay, but I did look at my phone and I just went ahead and added up everything I ever put into SIDU and then everything I ever made off SIDU. And 271 is the number, so there it is, okay? I'm not up $1,000, but I am up, and I'm going to start doing that on every video that I post. I'm going to put in the green right there or in the red, and it won't never be in the red, okay? Because I'm going to tell you now, baby, I ain't never been in the red, okay? I never lost money, okay? And I just never have, okay? It's not what I do. Okay. Next, for those of you who do not know, ticker symbol SIDU is a space company located in Cape Canaveral, Florida, and it operates a 35,000 square foot manufacturing, assembly, integration, and testing facility focused on commercial satellite design, manufacture, launch, and data collection. The company's rich heritage includes the design and manufacture of many flight and ground component parts and systems for various space-related customers and programs. Sidus Space has a broad range of space-as-a-service offerings, including space-rated hardware manufacturing, design engineering, satellite manufacturing, and platform development, launch and support services, data analytics services, and satellite constellation management. Okay. First of all, I'm going to mention something right now. While I was reading this, something just hit me, okay? I am going to do something, which is going to be in the comment section below. Just go ahead and look right there. If you only want to see my technical analysis of or what I think about SIDU space, what I think you should be on the lookout for Monday through Friday this week coming up, just look in the comments. It'll be I haven't got there yet, okay? As you know, I'm still videoing, okay? But I'm going to go ahead and tell all the news and, read about it. Just look at the comment section, okay? It'll be right there. Right now. What is that? Whoa! It's a major discount, baby. Okay. So that was what is Sidus Space. Sidus Space is basically a space company. They make satellites. They 3D print satellites. They have deals with NASA, SpaceX. Okay, they have a lot of deals with agreements. They have a lot of agreements with a lot of people. Okay, Sidus Space secures additional launches with SpaceX. Okay, like I was just saying, a space as a service company focused on mission critical hardware manufacturing, combined with I'm going to do something new right here. Okay, so look, if you want to read about right here, where is it? They got launches 2024, 25. Pause it right here. Read it. Pause it right now. All right, you pause. All right, I'm going to go to the next one, okay? Okay, because I just really want to get to the technical analysis part, okay? I want to get to the charts, okay? If you LizzieSat, if you don't know what LizzieSat is, pause it right here, okay? It's real quick. That's a picture of it. That's what it is, okay? Let's see. Bam, that's what LizzieSat is right there, okay? Now, this is what I wanted to tell you guys right here, okay? And I want you guys to let me know in the comment section below too, who out there knows what is the deal with public offerings always making these stocks go down so much more? Why does the public not like public offerings? Okay, let me know. Okay, let me read real quick. We'll get to it. SIDU stock is sliding after announcing a public share offering. So I'm thinking, if the stock is falling from the announcement, the IPO, initial public offering, well, then what is it? Okay, so let me look up what is a public share offering. So I look up what is an IPO or public share offering. Going public typically refers to when a company undertakes its initial public offering, or IPO. So IPO is initial public offering. Okay, so IPO means when a company goes public. Okay, by selling shares of stock to the public, usually to raise additional capital. Going public is a significant step for any company, and you should consider the reasons companies decide to go public. So, obviously, they would want to go public for money. Obviously, they would want to loan out their shares for money, but eventually they have to buy back those shares when they loan them out and someone buys them from them. Well, eventually, when it comes time that person wants to sell them, well, they have to buy it back, and the money goes right back out. Okay, so I don't see what the big deal is. Okay, they went public to begin with, for money. Okay, when they do a public offering, it's an offering. Okay, if you ever went to church, the offering pot comes around. You put money in there. Okay, it's an offering. I don't know why everyone has to sell out because of it, I feel like if everyone, just wait, things go different. So that's why I wrote, this is my question for you guys. Why is there fear in the market when news of IPO is announced? Let me know if you feel like, if you don't, somebody will someday, who cares? If you don't feel like letting me know today, I'll figure out someday. All right. This includes 30.30 million shares, priced at 33 cents each, as well as warrants. SIDU plans to make 10 million from the offering. I should have did this, okay, 33 cents when the offer went out, so we could have guessed already that it was going to go to 33 cents so they could buy those shares. Well, how does this affect SIDU stock? It's unsurprising that shares of SIDU stock would lose value alongside a public offering. These type of offerings are unpopular with investors for a couple of reasons. That includes diluting current stakes as well as devaluing the stock. Okay? See, so I'm still a little, confused on the situation, but maybe somebody can help me out in the comments later. Okay? This is my last slide, okay? I have other videos. I'm going to tell you guys real quick. In the previous videos that I have done on ticker symbol SIDU on SIDU Space, all these, I talked about this already, and I talked about this already. So I put them at the end and this already. So I put them all at the end so you guys could see, at the end. Just pause if you're new, if you haven't heard about their deal with Pacific. Okay, if you haven't heard about their deal in the Netherlands, or pause it here. Okay, if you haven't heard about their award new contract for the next phase of NASA project, pause here. Okay, and if you didn't see their financial highlights for the year 2022, pause it here. Okay, I'm Trader Josh. Let's look at these charts, man. Woo! All right. Okay, everybody. So, one thing I do want to mention, guys, and one thing we do know, our 52-week low is 18 cents right here. Okay. So I marked that. But one thing we can also see right here is that we have touched our 52-week low 2 times since the first time tapping it right here on Tuesday, June 6th, 2023. So this Tuesday, matter of fact, Tuesday is when the 52-week, whoa, my bad, you guys. This Tuesday is when our 52-week low was made, okay? So what now there's only one thing for us to wonder, which way will it go? That's the one thing we'll wonder, but that one thing that we wonder has other wonders, inside of it, okay? Because which way could it go? That's one wonder, but it has two wonders that we can think of right now. It could either go up or down. No, I'm messing with you. All right, no, but not on tomorrow's. What I will say to you guys, okay, so look, 1950 right here. I can honestly tell that this is going to be a major support level, because let me make that way bigger. Okay. Or the first one we need to break, I'm going to make it a dotted line. Okay, so we know 1950 is going to be a very important resistance level that we want to break, because we have seen evidence of this being a major support level. And every time we tap it, we either hold, or we stay close to shooting right up. Look again, right here, we do it again. Shoot up to 20 cents. We shoot up to 20 cents. We try to shoot up again, but the whole time right here, check this out. Now I'm going to show you guys right now. Why you got to utilize your indicators, okay? Because the major thing right now, the major thing that I pay attention to myself was, okay, so look, right here. I'm going to show you one thing in the past, and then I'm going to show you how we would utilize it, how we would utilize this indicator for the present. Okay? So look, for everybody that doesn't know, if you made it this far, you're a real one. You're about to learn some real stuff. Okay? Put this EMA, also your linear regression. First of all, though, put your EMA, and only put your EMA 13 and your EMA 34. Put your EMA 13 and your EMA 34 on whatever your charting app you use, because you will see times like this. So look, this EMA too. Some of you have asked me, is this RSI? No, it is EMA. Okay, these are not RSI lines. Okay, so I do want to point out something in the past. Okay, right here, boom. The 34 EMA 34 line is over the EMA 13 line. And I remember when I first started using these, I used to tell you guys, I'm going to make it green and I'm going to make it red, so we know when the green line is above the red line, okay. So instead of going in all in, I'm going to just say, we know when the green line is above the red line, you're in the green, you're in the money. Okay. When you see that red line start to dip, okay, then there's the issue, okay? And I'm going to show you how we utilize these indicators now. So first of all, we see our green is above the red right here, okay? So this would be at 23 cents. It goes up to 25 cents. exactly, taps it, and then goes back down. So since we know it wasn't a strong candle, it was a very weak candle right here. Probably not even a minute in, since these are 15-minute candles. It probably wasn't even a minute worth of green, but it barely ended off as a green candle. Okay, so that would have indicated a sell. Okay, so you would have sold off right there, and then what? Just waited, watch your lines, and you got to realize that'll be a couple days of wait now. And I'm gonna get more into all this, but I wanna teach you guys about these EMA lines right now, real fast. Okay, look right here. The EMA 34 is above the 13 line. The red is above the green. Okay, since the red is above the green, it's still moving down. Okay, the green overlaps the red line. Right when the green overlaps the red line, it shoots up. It doubles. Okay, from 20 cents all the way to 26 cents. Okay, so not okay. It didn't double completely. Okay, quarter. Okay, that's quarter. You would have made a quarter on whatever investment you profit. You would have made a quarter profit. Okay, right there in that spot. Okay, so let's look now. Right here, let me get my lines. Right here, whenever you're watching this line, and you see you're at 24.81, or 80 right there. Look over there on the right down there. Okay. Once you see this EMA 34 line, take that curve, take that dip. Okay, you got to think to yourself, it's still going up right here, but it dipped right here. Okay. So eventually this line is going to have to curve, because it's not going to have no steep dip like that. And not, just one go one way and one just dip the other way straight down and they never meet again. No, they like to stay side by side, as you can see here. They like to stay beside each other, and I don't know why, but that's just something I have seen a lot of times. It's, people say, what's it called? History never lies, like, you know what I mean? I can't really explain it, but basically that's what it means. Like, history never lies, in the past it has never had, any separated days. Okay, so let's look again. That red, we had a bunch of real close days. But right when that red overlapped the green, right, where did it overlap first? Because it had to overlap first, right here. Let me move these. So right when it overlapped, you see that we had this struggle, and we had this looking for support and resistance. So right when we couldn't find it, I would say about at 25 cents. That's what I would really want to feel safe saying, 25 cents. And it couldn't reach it, pull down. So let's look. Now that this is where we're at, from falling down all that, now our EMA 13, our green is above the red. So now I'm thinking, guys, and I will give more updates into the week, but I'm thinking that it could be time for SIDU to start doing something. Okay, I have not looked into compliance. I should have looked into compliance. I don't know why I didn't do that. Okay, I haven't. Let me see if I've ever done it in the past. It'll be at the dollar mark. Okay, so there's not anything at the dollar mark. Okay, but that's not all right. Well, that's weird. But all right, guys. So be on the lookout. Okay, like again, be watching for the resistance levels. Okay, get your indicators in order. Okay, get your indicators in order. Get your linear regression. Okay, start watching your charts and keep an eye on SIDU, because this thing, when it rips, it is not coming back, and I know it. And I'm telling you guys, this is something you don't want to miss. Just like TRKA was a good, a good thing. Molin was even a good thing. Okay, it's crazy to believe. Molin made a lot of people real millionaires. Okay, TRKA did too. Okay, all these trash companies, Zella even one day made millionaires. Okay, but it's all how you play the game. Okay, it's all how you play the game. It's how you watch. It's what you do, and what research you do. Okay, guys. Again, this is Trader Josh. Thank you for being here. Hit that subscribe button if you made it this far. Okay, join the Discord in the link below. Okay, we can text 24/7. Ask any questions to anybody. Everybody helps each other. We all love each other equally. And with that being said, you guys, be on the lookout. My next video, HUBC. Okay, I will give an updated version. Thank you all. I'll see you guys when I see you.